to accept the things I cannot change. Walking through the storm, I'm feeling strange. Every broken piece makes me who I am today. Let it flow, just let it flow away. 네 son을 blown 희열로 고백고 something elusive and 이 penis now go. Feel heavy blown, me and me go now. Let me go, we must stop thinking now. Let it go, I must say thank you now. Memories like shadows dancing on the wall. Try to catch them but they always fall through my fingers like grains of sand. Time to understand that sometimes losing means we gain a strength that helps us break the chain. I'm learning to accept the things I cannot change. They say time heals but the scars remain, teaching lessons through the pain. Mirror shows a different face, moving forward with such grace. Yesterday's gone, tomorrow's unclear, but I'm finally facing all my fears. Steady acceptance isn't about giving up the fight. It's about finding peace in the dead of night, when the world keeps spinning out of control and you're trying to make your ass run home. That's when you realize that letting go is the strongest move you'll ever know. Now I stand tall in my own skin, embracing both loss and win. The stars that broke me yesterday shape the person here today. And though change still makes me cry, I've learned to spread these wings and fly. Look now. Sometimes acceptance comes with pain, but through the darkness we'll remain strong enough to face another day, strong enough to find our way. I'm learning to accept the things I cannot change. Walking through the storm, I'm feeling strange. Every broken piece makes me who I am today. Whispered, release, grow. I'm learning to accept the things I cannot change. Walking through the storm, I'm feeling strange. Every broken piece makes me